Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, not satisfied. The response from the Jamaica Labour Party to the People's National Party's president's declaration he was born in Jamaica and has a Jamaican passport. The JLP has been pressing Mr. Golding to publicly state whether he is a British citizen. The issue arose following his expressed view last week that persons with dual citizenship should be allowed to seek political office. The statement from the JLP's Deputy General Secretary Charles Sinclair described Mr. Golding's reaction to questions about his citizenship as hypocritical, unacceptable and disgraceful. Mr. Sinclair stressed that it is ironic that only a few days ago, Mr. Golding deemed it inappropriate for Jamaica to have 1 foot in and 1 foot out of King Charles Yard, as talks about Jamaica's move to become republic intensified. He said the concerns are further justified because Mr. Golding also made suggestions that the constitutional reform process should reconsider the current rule, which bars certain dual citizens from sitting in the Jamaican Parliament. As such, Mr. Sinclair contends a direct answer from the opposition leader is necessary because, quote, Jamaica's aspiring head of government being a citizen of another territory would certainly raise serious questions of loyalty and allegiance, regardless of whether the territory is a member of the Commonwealth, unquote. In going further, the statement says the PNP president should immediately indicate whether he's prepared to do right by the Jamaican people by renouncing his British citizenship. However, on Saturday in a post on social media, Mr. Golding said the JLP was simply grasping at straws amidst the results of the local government election and the recent polls. In indicating that he is a, quote, born Jamaican with a Jamaican passport, unquote, Mr. Golding said he has never hidden the fact that his father, a British citizen, got him a British passport as a child. He also said, like other Jamaicans, he applies for visas from countries such as the US and the UK.